Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to buy bait in Heartopia, especially for beginners. So let's get started. Bait is used to attract fish when you are fishing. You can craft bait by yourself or you can buy it from NPC Vanya. And in this tutorial, I will show you the easiest way to buy bait from Vanya. First, just open your map, this one. Just open it, and then next just tap on the NPC Vanya icon, this one, and then next just tap on track, go back, and then just follow the guide on your screen to reach Vanya's locations. This one. And when you arrive, just tap on the chat icon, this one. And then next just tap on fishing store, like this. And then next just tap on bait. And after that, adjust the amount that you want to buy over here. And then finally, just tap on purchase, like this. And okay, that's it. Now you are ready to fish more easily in Heartopia. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.